Hi, Stefan. How's the show going for you?
Well, the show has been very busy at the moment, and we have seen a lot of customers. And unfortunately, the weather was not so good, but now it's going better, and we have a lot of activities here at the chalet and at the stand too.
Hi, Dennis. How's the show going for you?
Overall, it's been a very good show. We've had good traffic. I think the rain dampened things a little bit yesterday, but today especially, we've been very, very busy. Very pleased with what's happened.
Is there anything that you'd like people to know in particular about Kellstrom?
You know, I think the biggest thing is that we want all of our customers and our vendors who support us every day, how much we appreciate their business and how much we appreciate the fact that they come visit us here in Paris.
So can you tell me how the show's going for you, please?
The show is going greatly. This show enables us to renew our contacts and to find a lot of opportunities. As you know, TEP is a maintenance, repair and overhaul organization which has customers all around the world, namely in the aircraft maintenance services and engine maintenance services. And this is definitely a great opportunity to meet our current and potential customers.
And how's it going in Latin America for you?
As you are aware, TEP has two main bases in Portugal and Brazil. TEP's Maintenance and Engineering is presently one of the few MROs which is able to provide maintenance services on the three major manufacturers, Airbus, Boeing and Embraer. And in Brazil we provide the services on Embraer and Boeing fleet. Brazil is now also a center of excellence and a repair center for not only for Embraer but also on the engine side for the PW100 series engines, Pratt Canada engines. In that respect, we provide the maintenance services for a lot of South American, especially Brazilian companies, namely Gol, Azul, on Boeing fleet and Embraer, and also we work together in a partnership with Pratt Canada. We're providing the services on the PW engines. So Brazil is definitely extending the range of customers, not only in Latin America but also in North America and Canada.
So Peter, how's the show going for you?
Carrie, this is a great show. I mean, anybody who's been to an air show before knows they're great, they're exciting. But let me tell you, this one is really exciting because you can sense a change in the business climate. People are buying aircraft, they're buying services. There's probably more people here than have been in the air show in quite some time. So it's an exciting, good time.
So how's business going?
So business at the show, you know, we're not a Boeing or an Airbus announcing $30 billion worth of aircraft sales. We're not a GE or a Pratt doing the same thing with engine sales. So business for us is seeing our customers, seeing the people who depend on us, and seeing new customers. So from that point of view, I would say business is going good, and it's a great venue to meet those people.
Do you have any announcements you want to share with us?
Even though we're not announcing like Airbus and Boeing and Pratt and GE do, and Rolls-Royce, we did make an announcement yesterday. And I'm sorry that you weren't invited to the announcement because you would have loved to be there. We signed a contract with Unisum, division of GE, to be a sole supplier, sole distributor for their product which over the period and life of the contract is about a $600 million contract for us. We love it.
So how's the MRO business going?
MRO business is a tough business, as anybody knows who's in it. What makes it nice for us is we're probably the #1 MRO supplier in the U.S. So through our 4 facilities, Indianapolis, Oklahoma City, Hot Springs, and Miami, we have a great business model and we have a great support and supply to the customer.
We're here in front of the Comac booth looking at the C919. We're about to go inside and give you a look at the interior. Come along and see.